Hello friends, in this video I wanna show you how you get rid of spider from your house or your gardens. Both of the people are scared about spider, and spider also damage your plants and grass. But you don't need to still worry about that. In this video I wanna show you how you get rid of spider in best easier way at home. To make this remedy, firstly we need few natural ingredients. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid which gives it a sour taste which spiders are highly sensitive to. Vinegar spray can serve an organic pest controller. Dish soap. A dish soap liquid can kill a spider if you drop it on the top of the poor creative. There are much easier and more human ways to get rid of small creatures like spiders. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper are also effective ingredients to get rid of spiders from your home. Because spiders smell and taste your legs, they may avoid. Now we can prepare this remedy. Firstly, we add 1.5 cup of apple cider vinegar into the bowl. In the second step, we just add 1 teaspoon of dish soap liquid into the mixture. In the last, we just add 1.5 teaspoon of cayenne pepper into the mixture. Now simply mix it well. Now look, the spray is ready to use.